Must-have assets that will increase your net worth. Have you ever thought of becoming rich but had no idea how to? Then you have clicked the right video to get started with. Stay blessed. Owning your primary residence. Home ownership ranks among the most common ways people gain a substantial increase in net worth. Instead of choosing the traditional 30-year mortgage, opt for a 15 or 20-year term, so you can pay it off more quickly, which will result in a significant asset and savings on interest. And if you decide to sell after you pay your home off, capital gains are tax-free up to $500,000, as long as your status is married filing jointly. Second home. Second homes are a savvy way to earn passive income via short-term rental platforms like HomeAway, VRBO or Airbnb. At first, you can use the extra income to help pay off your mortgage more quickly. Then, once you pay off the mortgage, you'll own a significant asset while still benefiting from the passive income of renting it out if you choose. Both can result in a nice gain in your net worth. Saving for retirement is something you can start doing now, and tax-deferred accounts, such as a 401k or a traditional IRA, can help your savings balance grow more quickly. Make it a goal to max out your retirement contributions by contributing a set amount each paycheck, especially if there's a company match. By treating your savings contributions as a budget item, you'll consistently put money away, which will allow it to grow and increase your net worth. If you have come this far, you truly are a gem. You can subscribe to our channel for more such inspirational contents. Being someone else's bank allows you to generate passive income that can boost your net worth. Private loans, notes and trust deeds are investments where you loan money to private individuals or entities in exchange for interest. Collectibles can be more than just a hobby. They can serve as a boost to your net worth, especially if you become an expert in a certain area. Areas to consider investing in are fine art, antiques or rare wine. But just because a collectible item was lucrative in the past, think Elvis memorabilia and general World War II items, doesn't mean it's still a good investment. If you have a permanent life insurance policy, such as a whole life, universal life or variable life policy, the premiums you pay will grow tax-deferred. Once the policy has reached a certain cash value, you can access the funds tax-free. The accumulated cash, less any fees, counts as an asset that can increase your net worth. Get the most from your investment in a car by researching factors like reliability, safety features, maintenance expenses over time and the cost of insurance before making a purchase. If you're not sure where to start, you can use a car buying service to make the process easier. Consider doing jobs that pay enough to make them worth your time, such as finding and reselling items for a profit, house sitting, driving for Uber or Lyft, becoming a virtual assistant or writing resumes. That's all for today's video. Keep watching Classic Icons.